Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add stickers to WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then choose someone. Okay, tap on plus icon and click on sticker option and tap on sticker and click on create plus icon. Okay, choose any photos okay, and just tap on this option and send stickers and add sticker. Okay, click to add stickers to WhatsApp. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.